Happy Tuesday, everyone!
Happy Tuesday.
So, araw-araw kong kasama ang taong ito. Kahit sino gustong makasama yung mahal natin sa buhay. Pero hindi din pwedeng magkasama palagi at hindi naman kumikita. Dahil araw-araw, may gastusin din tayo. So, I'm very proud and happy. And thank you, Lord. Dahil today is Tuesday, it's payout day. So,
It's smiling day.
it's more than 11 years na yung payout is real. Hindi siya na-delayed. Okay? So, thank you sa company, Press Money, Emmanuel Pascual. Thank you so much. And we are more bonded and more bonding pa, diba, na mangyayari together with our loved ones. And of course, dahil nasa school ang mga bata, so it's dit time. Okay, punta kami ng city, may mga aasikasuhing mga bagay-bagay, and ito yung gusto natin, di ba? Travel while you are young and able. So time is gold, time is precious, hindi natin pwedeng maibalik ang panahon na nasayang. So enjoy it, and ito na,